So file challenge number 2 is relatively simple. And I kind of already showed you how to do that part with the fruit stand. But you're basically going to take the pickle module or the pickle library and use that to create a file-based storage for the employee database application. So that when it opens from a file, and then when you make changes in the data, it saves it to the file. Okay? So that's a good thing I want you to learn how to do, because we'll want to be doing that kind of in our programs going forward. There's going to be a lot of them where we'll want to be able to save the data. So that's a good set of functions to be exploring and figuring out. But okay, so we've got the fruit example here. And the resources that you have available to you for this week are in Canvas. And there's a file and sample code. You can see here I've got the A12 pickle sample and the URL library sample. The A12 pickle sample, just so you can see what it looks like, is not the fruit stand that I exactly showed you, but it uses a similar piece of data, right? And it's got a save data function and a load data function, and it demonstrates the use of both of those. So you can take those functions and you can use them in a different context. But those are there for you. Okay, and I think that's it for today as far as lecture goes. Please take the time and work on these projects, and let me know if you have any questions.